This question was asked by Famzi. The person said, "Am I a virgin?" And so, like, when do you think I would be ready? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy, I am Victor. I'm here again with my dad.
Hello. How are you all?
Okay, so on behalf of Dad and I want to say thank you to everyone for the subscribe, the likes, the comments. We read them. Everyone was so thoughtful. We thank you for the reports and everything. So let's gonna be doing a father and son tag with my dad. I have 8 questions I wrote down about that my dad is gonna be answering about me, and then 2 were requested from Instagram. I put a link like 2 weeks ago, and I said anyone just put a question, any question you want to see us answer. So let's get right into this. The first question is, what is my name?
My names are Victor, Chijindo, Abiodu, Anoko.
Yeah. So those are my 4 names.
That Abiodu was not a family name anyway. It was a lady in our compound that said you must have a Yoruba name, and then
Oh really?
they added Abiodu. Yes.
Okay. Because as you all know, I'm from the Igbo tribe, so all my names are Igbo, but that one, right?
Yes.
I'm from Imo State, by the way, if I didn't say that. When was I born?
You were born in Lagos in the year 2000.
Okay, 1 month and what day?
It was in December 16th,
Yes.
2000.
Yes, correct. Next, what is my favorite color?
Your favorite color, well, I should say green.
Green, because I wear green? Because
No. I should say green.
Nope. My favorite color is orange. But I
Orange.
like to wear red.
Okay.
Orange. So for today, you now know my favorite color.
Okay.
If you had to rename me, what would you have chosen? Like, what was the name that you guys considered?
We never made any other consideration. If I'm going to name you, it will be the same Igbo name.
So that was like, you guys just
I'm
named,
going to name the same.
this is Victor.
Maybe I should have removed Victor.
And you probably give me what?
I should have given you Chijindo Anoko.
Okay, so no English name.
Yes.
Igbo for life. Okay, next, what was my first job?
Your first job was when you came here in the USA and Chick-fil-A.
Yes. My first job is Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
And I was, what was my position?
I don't know. I didn't go to
Cashier.
your office. Okay. You are right. Cashier.
Yes, I was a cashier at Chick-fil-A for 2 years. I just quit my job like a few months ago, so I'm at a new place now. Where would you like to see me in 10 years from now?
Well, I would like to see you in the U.S. Congress.
Okay.
As a lawmaker, since you are reading law, and also I want you to see you as a practitioner, having your own chambers.
This is actually interesting because I feel like you're reading my mind, because that's one of the things I consider on the long run, like in 10 years. In 10 years, wow. So first, I want to become a lawyer. I want to have my own NGO, and where I'll be helping people who come to the United States. We'll be like teaching people English. Like if you come from a country that doesn't speak English, we'll be helping you. We'll be teaching English. We'll be doing like immigration classes, naturalization classes, and stuff like that. Just like path to citizenship, and like giving information.
That's the immigration law.
Yes. I want to read immigration law. And then we'll be helping people facing deportation. So those are the kind of stuff I think I want to do. And then on the long run, I want to be first Nigerian Congress. Yes. It's actually just because I've never told you that. Have I ever told you that I want to be in the Congress?
You've not told me, but I have it as a hope at the back of my mind, and I wish.
Hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay. When were you most proud of me?
I was most proud of you when you won election as SGA president of BCC.
BCC. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so, and the day I was also invited during your graduation in BCCI, you were presenting some speech.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. That was the awards.
Award day.
Award night. Yes.
In that hotel at can't remember.
I can't remember, but where I had like I'll post the pictures of my awards and everything.
Yeah.
Where I gave a speech. Then now this question was requested by Diamond on Instagram, Sunny D. I'll leave the Instagram name here for you guys to see. It says, what is your favorite memory of me?
Oh, that is too long to remember, and I will try to make it short.
Okay.
I remember the year you were born in 2000. Mm-hmm. I was in vacation in Philadelphia, and there was that plane crash in Lagos, and I had to come back home briefly because I left their mom alone, and she did all the struggle and everything. So I was happy when I came. I was given the news I had to come home, and instead, because of the baths, I had to cut my whole vacation short. So after about a week or two, I had to go back to the US. So I don't forget that I had to cut my holidays because of that. But okay,
and what you said there was a plane? Is it Sosoliso?
No, there was a plane crash in a place that plugged into Ejibo. Some about 300 or 200 on board of that plane died.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Interesting. That's cool.
That was a military plane.
Oh. Was it like Nigerian?
Yes, it was Nigerian. The plane plugged into Ejibo, in the slump in Ejibo. So everybody was shouting, people got. So I had to go home. Even your mom was afraid, but I had to go home.
Oh. So thoughtful of you. And what are your thoughts on like what do you think about sex before marriage or sex after marriage?
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Well, I am a Christian. In my own thoughts, I believe actually that sex is something that is meant for adults. And it's something that happens when you are interested. Not when you are interested, when one is ready up for it. Because I don't believe in abortion. So I should be when one is ready So this should be a thing that is meant for youths that want to get married. It's not for the fun. And it's not for experiment. It's not be for an experiment. Also, the Christian doctrine condemns it.
And so, like, when do you think I would be ready?
You will be ready when you are ready to get married.
Oh my God.
Okay, that's a question. Have I ever been in a relationship?
Well, I don't know. Because I have not seen any lady knocking here that's looking for a chief victim. And I don't go to school with you, so I don't know.
You don't know now, but I'm going to tell you something.
I actually have.
Okay.
Like a year ago.
I'm not in it now.
Yeah, I had a girlfriend from Nicaragua a year ago. I'm not going to say the name because of this is YouTube, and we don't know, just for security reasons or whatever. And yeah. Next question. Do I have any best friend? Do you know if I have any best friend?
Here in the US, I've not known any, but I know back home. Oh, okay, during the Christmas, I see a friend that was coming at home. Well, we went home during the Christmas.
Oh, David.
Yes.
Okay, oh yeah.
And I know then in Nigeria at the estate, you have some friends too.
Yes. I have like a lot of friends. Now, last question. This question was asked by Samzi. The person said, "Am I a virgin?"
Well, how can I be a virgin when you said you had a friend 1 year ago? So I don't know how to answer it. I can't believe it.
But so is it not possible that she was my girlfriend and
Yeah, it can be a
platonic? Yeah.
platonic friend. Yes, it could be. So let me hold you for that.
Okay, so we're not going to. We'll just let it at that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the last question. What's the age gap between us?
That's too many. Well,
I feel like you're double my age, or even almost.
I'm triple your age.
Yeah.
So I should be triple your age. You are 20. You are just getting 20, and I'm 62. So
Yeah. So like always
so
true.
I triple your age.
So that's the end of this video. If you all like this video, please subscribe, share, like this video.
Thank you.
Give it a thumbs up, and we'll be with more videos. Bye.